Louisiana Congressman Higgins is facing some backlash for filming a politically charged video from inside a gas chamber at the Auschwitz concentration camp. During the 5-minute video posted to YouTube over the July 4th holiday weekend, Higgins said, quote, "It's hard to walk away from the gas chambers and ovens without a very sober feeling of commitment. Unwavering commitment to make damn sure that the United States of America is protected from the evils of the world." He continued to say that the gas chamber killings are why the U.S. military must be unbeatable. The Auschwitz Memorial did not approve of the congressman's actions. In a Twitter statement, they said, quote, "Everyone has the right to personal reflections. However, inside a former gas chamber, there should be mournful silence. It's not a stage." Other Twitter users also reacted to the congressman's message. One said, quote, "Obscene to use this as a message to keep people out in the name of security. All doors in all countries were closed to Jews. Shame on you." Higgins did respond to the criticism, saying he filmed the video with great humility, but acknowledged his message caused pain to some people. He went on to say that out of respect, he has retracted the video and apologized for any pain that it caused.